Okay, guys, so let's do a weekly outlook. What I am looking. So first, let's come to forexfactory.com. Okay, because we see first key किस दिन red folder news है, right? Then we look for the setup basically, right? So you can see from June 10 to June 14, यहाँ पे मैं odd GP USD and CAD के red folders रखा हूँ. So अगर जो लोग सिर्फ मेजर ट्रेड करते हो जो सिर्फ यूएसडी पेयर ट्रेड करते हो तो मंडे वी डोंट हैव एनी यूएसडी न्यूज सो हम लोग उस दिन कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं लिए थे सो टुडे इज ट्यूसडे टुडे वी हैव न्यूज ऑन जीबीपी सो वी कैन लुक फॉर ट्रेड ऑन जीबीपी पेयर्स ओनली ओके लाइक जीपी यूएसडी जीपी कैट जीपी ऑट ओनली जीबीपी पेयर्स ओके Wednesday, we have big news on USD that is CPI. Okay. And then later 11:30 Indian time. जो ये टाइम देख रहे हो आपको इंडियन टाइम है ओके सो 6 p.m. इवनिंग में सीपीआई है सो वी डोंट हैव टू ट्रेड वेडनेसडे बेसिकली क्योंकि सीपीआई से पहले मार्केट काफी रेंज में रहता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एंड देन सीपीआई में हम लोग मैनिपुलेशन देखते हैं ओके एंड देन 11:30 अगेन वन बिग न्यूज फेडरल फंड रेट ओके सो आई डोंट थिंक कि वेडनेसडे को भी कोई अच्छा सेटअप फॉर्म होगा विल सी ऑल्सो बट विल सी दैट डे कि कैसा मार्केट परफॉर्म करता है आफ्टर सीपीआई न्यूज ओके सो विल वेट ओके नॉट गोइंग टू रश सो वेडनेसडे को हम लोग का दो बिग इम्पैक्ट हाई न्यूज है I believe Thursday and Friday will be a very good day for trading. Okay, Wednesday we can see manipulation, and maybe Thursday and Friday will be clear for us. So keeping this in mind, I'll avoid major pair. Today I am only going to look for GP pairs. Okay, and tomorrow Wednesday I'll wait until post CPI until CPI news release, and then Thursday Friday I believe it will be a very good day for trading. Now let's come to trading view and let's see. Okay, so we're going to start first from weekly time frame. Let's come to weekly. So on weekly time frame on DXY, okay, first let's discuss dollar. Okay, so on weekly time frame we can see we have grabbed this low and this low is basically previous month low. Okay, so this was previous month low. So we grabbed this previous month low. Okay, and then we displaced higher on Thursday, right? If we come to daily time frame, on day time frame, we can see we have created this bullish fair value gap. Okay, but we have grabbed this high also. So you can say we have grabbed this external range liquidity right now. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we have grabbed this external range liquidity. We can look for a little downside move. To fill this fair value gap by the way okay so from external to internal we can look but still I am bullish right now so I'll not look for the sell setup right now on DXY okay so I'll wait for market if it comes to this fair value gap to come with this bullish fair value gap then I'll look for the long setup because we have nice clean equal high liquidity resting and this is CPI or Fed rate आने वाला है so we can look for some expansion higher if we fill this fair value gap. So I'll wait today on DXY, not expecting big move, but we'll see for the major pair. Okay, let's come to EU, Euro USD. I'm looking for market to take out this sell side liquidity. We have this bearish fair value gap. Maybe हम लोग ये bearish fair value gap fill नहीं करें. Okay, or maybe we can fill. I don't know. We'll see. बट ऑन हाई टाइम फ्रेम आई एम वेटिंग कि मार्केट एटलीस्ट ये जो लो फॉर्म हुआ है ओके जो ये हम लोग का सपोर्ट था आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि मार्केट एटलीस्ट इस लेवल तक टच करे और यहाँ से अगर H1 H4 में डिस्प्लेस करते हैं हम लोग विथ फेयर वैल्यू गैप डाउन साइड देन आई लुक फॉर द सेल सेटअप ओके सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग ऑन EU and let's come to GPUSD on GPUSD we have this weekly time frame पर हम लोग आते हैं So on weekly time frame, you can see we have this bullish fair value gap. Okay, untapped, bullish imbalance untapped. So I'm expecting the GPUSD to trade lower to fill this weekly fair value gap or weekly internal in liquidity. Once we tap this weekly internal, then I'll be looking for internal to external to take out this high. Okay, and day time frame पे भी अगर हम लोग आते हैं so day time frame पे we will see fair value gap. So I'm expecting some more downside move and you can see we have this nice kind of trend line liquidity also here resting. Okay, so मेरा थोड़ा राइट हैंड फ्रैक्चर है, सो मेरे को लेफ्ट हैंड से चार्टिंग करना पड़ रहा है, दैट्स वाई थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है चार्टिंग करने में. ओके, सो राइट नाउ आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि जीपीयूएसडी ये फेयर वैल्यू गैप टैप कर चुका है, प्रीवियस डे हाई भी ग्रैब कर चुका है. सो इफ वी start seeing some displacement downside, we can look for a sell setup until we tap this daily bullish fair value gap or this weekly bullish fair value gap. Okay, once we tap this weekly fair value gap जो कि internal range liquidity है या फिर daily fair value gap, then I'll be looking for the long setup here also. Okay, so this is what I'm looking right now. So I'll look for sell. कि GP market folder news है, plus we tap this daily bearish fair value gap. So if we start seeing some displacement downside, then definitely I'll be interested. Okay, so this is what I'm looking on GU. So on GU currently looking for the sell. So red इसको mark कर लेते हैं. USD CAD I am looking for the long setup right now. Okay, so we have grabbed the low, we have grabbed this low, and we have this high, kind of equal high liquidity resting red line you can see. So here also we have created this daily bullish value gap. So expecting some retracement. Once we retrace and start seeing some displacement on H1, M15 second impulse, then I'll be looking for the long setup on USD CAD. But not today. I'll wait for CPI. Personally, I am not going to look for any intraday trade on major pair. Okay, क्योंकि red folder news नहीं है. You can look for the swing, but I'll wait for the intraday move. Okay, and let's come to GP odd. GP odd, I'm looking for long setup on weekly. We have this order block. Okay, we coming from this bullish fair value gap. We slightly tapped this bullish fair value gap last week and then expanded higher, right? On daily, if you see on daily time frame, let me delete this weekly order block. So on daily, you can see we have this order block plus fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. So I'm looking for internal to external move here. Okay, and let's see how it goes. 4 hour time frame, we have created this impulse move higher. If we create bullish fair value gap on 4 hour, then we can look for long setup, take out this high. Okay, so this is what I'm watching on GP odd. So looking for some swing setup here on GP odd. So let me mark this in green. Euro odd, we have this kind of equal low liquidity here, you can see. Okay, or at least I'm looking for market to grab this right now. But on daily, we don't have anything. Definitely, we coming from this daily bearish fair value gap right now. Okay, but nothing I see on daily time frame. But yeah, currently looks bearish. We tap this daily bearish order block also here. Okay, so if we get any 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, lower time frame entry, uh, we also looks like going to grab this. I guess we grab this high as well. No, we didn't grab. So if we grab this high, then displace lower, then we can look for sell on Euro odd, but not looking high probability. So I'll avoid on GP CAD. Let's see GP CAD. Nothing clear on GP CAD for me right now. Daily time frame. We're going for this previous week high right now. So let's come to 4 hour time frame. Nothing right now on GP CAD, but this is what we can look. If we grab this previous week high and start seeing some displacement lower, we can look for the sell setup to target this bullish fair value gap here. Okay, and on 4 hour or 1 hour time frame you will see equal low liquidity here, right? If you see here. Okay, so this is what we can look, but yeah, again, not right now high probability. Euro CAD, we have kind of this equal low liquidity, right? So I'll wait how today candle print. If we create daily bearish fair value gap, then we can look for the sell setup. Okay, if we create daily bearish fair value gap, also we have this inverted fair value gap. Okay, here you can see we have this डेली बुलिश फेयर वैल्यू गैप जो कि होल्ड नहीं किया, सो जो ये सपोर्ट का काम करना चाहिए था वो अब रेजिस्टेंस का काम कर सकता है। एंड इफ यू क्रिएट डेली बेरिश फेयर वैल्यू गैप आल्सो, इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड setup for internal. Then we can look for daily bearish to take out this equal low right now. Okay. And odd JPY I already shared on the Discord group. I hope you guys are in the group. So I already shared this odd JPY, so I'm not going to discuss right now. And on S&P 500 and US 100, I'll wait. I'll wait for market to show me the direction. So I'll wait for how Wednesday candle will print. Then on Thursday and Friday, we can look for setup on indices. Right now, I'm expecting some sideway movement. We can see expansion also, but I'll wait for the CPI news to release. So that's what I am looking right now weekly. Okay, so currently watching GPUSD today and GP odd only. Okay, GPUSD I'm looking for sell and GP odd I'm looking for buy setup. So let's see. And today also we have this news in 1 hour. So we'll see how it deliver the price by the way. Okay. And make sure guys to join the Discord channel. Here I'll be sharing my analysis, trade breakdown. We can do chat. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. So make sure to join. Link will be in the description. Okay.